good. I get any blood on my back? Not that it would matter, because this is going in the wash anyway.
No, not today.
Well, you know, there's always other opportunities too.
There will be. If you got shot the first time out, it's bloody anyway, so.
Yeah.
Best you didn't.
They're on patience too.
There you go. Leave your jacket over there with
okay.
With your stuff, and we won't worry about the blood. Okay. You go ahead and go on. Oh, you know what? We forgot our grab our coffee cup and
yeah. Yep.
Talk. Would you mind?
Yep. That's a pretty damn good size bill. It's heavy, yeah. They're a lot heavier than they look, even with all their guts spilled.
That's the truth.
Here's your coffee when you're ready.
Alright, I'll ask you to carry it in, so I'll wash my hands before I...
Okay.
Please. If you want, you can kick your shoes off right here, too.
Okay. I will.
Okay, I got it. I'll take that. A pretty hot chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
Did you get to see Bob this morning?
Yeah.
Is he downstairs?
I got it. Alright, going back home, it's time to go back home, that's what I wanted to do.
Okay. Well, come on in and sit down. It's Jeff? Okay, I'm Linda, Jeff.
Hi.
So did you enjoy it this morning?
Yes, I did.
Lots of fun, huh? How old are you now, Jeff?
12.
12.
What grade are you in? 6th? 7th?
7.
7th? When's your birthday?
June 14.
June 14th, huh? You want some more hot chocolate?
Oh, yes, please.
We got some. I'll make you some right up.
We
That kind of
did that or
helped, that helped warm you right up, didn't it? Huh?
Yeah, it was delicious.
Okay. I didn't have marshmallows or whipped cream,
Oh,
sorry.
that's fine, that's fine. I usually don't drink mine with marshmallows, so that's okay.
Well, that's good. How about you, Grandpa? What are you gonna have for
I'm
coffee?
gonna
Sit down there,
sit
Jeff.
for a minute.
You sit down and relax and make yourself at home.
Yeah, he wants me to gut that deer, and
Good. I'm
didn't
glad
get
you
sick or
watched
anything,
tonight.
he didn't protest.
Yeah?
Good job, yeah. Just wish we, well,
Yeah.
I'm kind of glad you weren't in that tree, now that I think about it, because, like I said, if you got shot first morning out, that could have spoiled you.
Yeah.
It could've?
No, makes me feel really grateful. The next time I go out,
There you
I'll
go.
be like, oh, I'll probably get a deer.
Yeah, you just expect it then, huh?
You got a blue light blinking over here, does that mean anything?